I wanted to make this quick video about the auto retractable box cutter, and it's from Slice, and I definitely recommend this product, even if it's for personal. If you guys order a bunch of stuff like me from Amazon and you're cutting up boxes all day, this is perfect. Or if you're going to use this for work, also same thing, because you could switch out the blade. So if you are using it a lot, like for work, you can switch out blades, so that's not a problem. So let me take you guys through a couple specs, and then we're gonna actually open it up and we're gonna test it out on this box. I have been using it for a month now, and I just put it back in the box to show you guys, but I promise you guys I've been using this thing and I love it. Okay, so it does come with a ceramic blade, and that's for safety reasons, and the ceramic blade lasts a long time. So there's 2 points right there. Okay, we have so ceramic, it's safer, and then you could use it up to 11 times longer, so they do last longer. Okay, and there's the blade right here, if you guys are wondering. It's 10404, and so like I said, it only comes with one. So there is packages on Amazon that you could buy that comes with 25 blades, and you know, with this one I've been using, it hasn't gotten dull at all. So it's definitely strong. Okay, so this is the actual tool right here. When I seen it on Amazon, I thought it was going to be smaller, but this is it, and you could just straight grab it. It's a nice little grip right here, so you don't have to worry about it slipping out of your hand or any of that good stuff. So I did want to show you guys this little, it's just a little manual on how to replace the blade. So let me show you guys that real quick. So there's a button right here. All you have to do is push on it and then slide up. And there is the blade right there. That's a ceramic blade, okay? So I could, if it does get dull, all I have to do is switch it out and then put it the other way, so you could use it all over again on the other side. And there's two types of blades. So this one is the rounded tip, and then there's also the pointing tip. So there's two of them. And look how easy it is to slide on and slide off, okay? So it's back on just like that. So on the top, this is where you want to push out, and then you can see the blade come out from here. So this is child-proof, first of all, and then two is it's safety friendly, because you're not going to be cutting yourself, because it just retracts right in there, right? So to use it, all you have to do is hang on this grip right here. You just push it out a little bit like so, and then you're able to cut. So we are going to test it out here. So let me move this around. And I do want to point out to you guys that this tape is not the traditional tape. It's the reinforced tape, and it has strings in it, but this is still going to cut through it. And the reason I do like this, because I do buy a bunch of shoes, and the thing is, I do not want to cut my shoes boxes that are inside this box. So I make sure that I use a tool like this. That way I'm not damaging anything that's in this box, okay? So first things first, you just slide it like so, and then we're going to... It's kind of awkward for me to cut like that, but I'm gonna cut it. Okay, so just slice through it, and I told you guys, look at, you can see it's reinforced. It has these strings, so it's harder than regular tape. Okay, so now all we have to do is come across. You guys can see it's kind of jumping around because of those strings, but it did cut. And then we got another slice here. Okay. Just like that, and see, it opened just like that. Voila! The box on the inside has no damages whatsoever, and that's because, like, all you have to do is just poke it out just a little bit. So like I said, I highly recommend this product if you guys are going to be opening boxes.